I have so much fun. It feels like I'm on a cruise.
Yeah?
You know? And speaking of setting sail, we have the Anchors Away French Terry long sleeve top. It is new. You're saving $5 on it. So you're getting it new and on a sale price. That price goes up at the end of the day. It is our only order of the year. So when it's gone, it's gone. And when those warmer days are here and you're thinking, oh, this is perfect to wear on the beach.
Yes.
To a party on a boat. Maybe you're going on. I really, that's my goal for the summer. Get invited to a party on a boat.
Oh, I like it.
And then you can wear this with me. But this is 3 easy payments of $17.99. It should be $59. You're getting it for $53.98 today. Length on this is 27.5 to 33.5. We've got extra, extra small through 5X. This is your white. Then we have your lipstick red, followed by our dark navy, modeled beautifully on Angel Smedley, and that is our most limited.
Okay.
Now, this is like wearing that great shirt where you're setting sail on a sea of comfort because it is French Terry.
All right, bravo, bravo.
I came in with the puns for you today.
Yes, I love it. So this is beautiful, heat sealed. I prefer to say kissed on because it's much more romantic than heat sealed, right? So you have the ship wheel, you have the anchor, you have the rope, the ship's rope, all done so beautifully, center front, just a little bit closer to the neckline, so it's not, you know, right across what we call the apex, which is the center of the bust line. Long sleeves. It's kind of shaped like a sweatshirt, but it's not a sweatshirt weighted material. Okay,
right.
So you have that high neckline, you have the big chunky cuffs at the end of the sleeves, you have that big chunky trim at the hem. This is more of a tunic length.
Right.
Now I will tell you, because I'm a little in between sizes.
Okay.
So I prefer for a top shaped like this to go up one size. So I'm wearing the 2X. But in the pants, which we'll get to, I'm wearing my normal 1X size.
Great.
Okay, it's just how I like it to fit. But then, you know, that's how I like all my sweatshirts to fit. I usually get like 3Xs in the sweatshirts because I just like them to be really roomy.
Right.
But you go with how you like them to fit, okay?
And if you did want,
yes.
as you mentioned, those pants, if you wanted the whole set, which so chic, so popular, 3 easy payments of $37 and change.
Yeah.
For a complete look, and then you can mix and match, pair and wear with anything you have. But I love that you are getting that gorgeous French Terry. I'll pull it up on the navy so maybe you can see it on there.
It's 95% cotton, 5% spandex. So you're hearing the French Terry, and you might be thinking, oh, where have I heard that before? Because that's how we make our dream jeans, but it's done differently, okay? Because this has a little bit, this has 95% cotton, 5% spandex. So you just get that nice stretch, that nice feel. It's a little bit beefier than our 100% cotton, a little bit beefier than our 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. Just exactly what you want for a summer type top like this that most of us would wear like a sweatshirt, but it's not a sweatshirt.
But you can wear this when it gets a little colder out.
Yes.
Wear it around your neck, and then you throw it on. You've got a little pop of rhinestone, a little glamour on there when it gets a little cold out. But you can also wear this with those shorts. It's really that versatile piece, and I just love a nautical theme. I mean, we just had our Fashion 360 meeting here about all the trends that are happening in the upcoming seasons.
Okay.
And so much of it is the Americana nautical look. The fact that you can get all of these pieces.
Way, we've been doing for 30 years.
I know. I'm like,
saying.
you may at QVC, if you are a Quacker Factory shopper, you may already have things that mix and match that you can pair and wear with this already. So $53.98 is that price. Do not miss out on this because the price goes up at the end of the day. This is an expiring price, and it is our only order of the year. Do not wait on this. Call 800-500-7590. It was new a few weeks ago, and when it is gone, it is gone. And I love the pieces at Quacker Factory because not only do they bring joy, and they are stylish, but they are something that's so signature and unique.
Absolutely.
And these are like collector's pieces.
Yes, they really are. And I have to tell you, I was just at that meeting today, and we were looking at some of the rhinestone books to choose some of the rhinestone colors coming up for the fall. So our team really takes a lot of pride in choosing the right ones, the right accents for your pieces, and they do it so lovingly. So there's different sized rhinestones here, beautifully placed, beautifully done. There are, when I work with I think it's Jane Brown. She talks about, is it her, all right, work with me for 1 second. Her sorority, where the theme is the anchor.
Oh, I don't know.
So
I didn't know that.
there's lots of other uses for the anchor than just the ship's wheel.
Right.
But also, as you know, growing up in this area, there's the Dadvale Regatta that happens over Mother's Day weekend on the Schuylkill River in Philadelphia. A lot of rowers.
Yeah.
So maybe you might be interested in having something to support the rowers in your family, the Navy personnel in your family. There's so many reasons to have something fun like this.
Right, and it's something that is timeless, and you're getting it at an incredible price, but that price is not timeless. It expires at the end of the day. It's $59, but you are getting it for $53.98, so pick it up while you can. 3 easy payments of $17.99. It's item number A681268 on that expiring price. When it is gone, it is gone, and while you are placing your orders for that top, do not miss out on making a complete set. If we have